really don't want to take the entire dash out just to get this box out, but it looks like I might have to. Okay, folks, back for another weekend of wrenching on the giveaway Mark II. And we acquired one critical piece to this operation over the past week. A new heater core, because we don't want to take this box out of the car and not replace the heater core while it's out. So, last week we got the engine compartment, the front side of the air conditioning system all ripped out, and this weekend we are going to tackle the inside. We are going to get the HVAC box out of the car. Here we go. Luckily on this it says 1985 through 87 models, it is not necessary to remove the instrument paddles. So all we have to do is remove the center console. So this should be smooth. We'll see. Like this, and we unplug that. Okay, we have to disconnect the heater hoses from the heater core in the engine compartment right here. Yeah. Got it out without breaking it, barely. As much as I'm loath to do it, I'm gonna just finish off removing this console. I think it's just gonna make it a ton easier. Okay, managed to get this out with a lot of cursing, but I got it and it's not broken, so I'm still winning. It's this guy right here. One, two, three. Okay, here's what we're up to. If I can take this blower motor out, I think the box will come out without taking the dash frame off. Wow, can't get this out
without taking the freaking whole dash.
Without taking the dash apart? Really? I really don't want to take the entire dash out just to get this box out, but it looks like I might have to. Okay, I do not see any possible way to remove this box without taking the dash out. I don't see it. All right, party people, I have given it my best try. I cannot make that box come out of this car without removing this dashboard cover. I don't think I have to remove the whole frame, but anyway, I was trying to avoid removing this instrument cluster again for like the 27th time of owning this vehicle.
Oh, does this have a detachable face receiver?
Yeah, but I have an even better radio to put in this car thanks to Steve, because he has a period correct Volkswagen radio that actually came in the Skoda.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Can't you just undo this harness here? That might do it. It's electrical connection. There's one, and that is the main feed for the. Here, pull it there. Okay, disconnected from vacuum.
That's.
I think it's disconnected.
I think that's the whole thing. Except this is sort of a. Bob's your uncle.
Bob.